Hey dearies, this is June of June Sketches, and today's video is focused on Magdalene, a prominent character in a comic I'm writing called The Bird Song. She's known as the Black Crow, or just the Crow, for reasons that will be slowly revealed in the story. But other than a deep meaning behind the name, there's also the simple fact that her hair reminds other characters of a crow. Magda is one of the first characters I came up with for the story, and I've gotten quite attached to her since. I see her as a fundamental aspect of the story, and I'm not even 100% sure what story I'm writing just yet. It's still in development. In actuality, the Birdsong comic came to me in a dream with a young girl running around a corridor searching for what she'd forgotten. And throughout that dream, she encounters a lot of different people, and one of them is Magda. Magda assists the young girl in her journey, and so Magda assists her in this journey. It was a dream I couldn't set aside or forget, so I decided to write about it and draw the characters I'd seen, and thus began the work on the Birdsong comic. Originally, in my head, I was calling the story The Call of the Penguin, and this young girl that Magda was helping out reminded me of a penguin, and the sort of story that was playing out in the dream reminded me of how most birds will mate only once in their life, and one of these birds for certain was a penguin. I don't want to reveal any more of the story, but I wanted to draw the characters as I developed the story, so I hope you guys enjoy this time lapse of one of my beloved characters for the comic that I'm working on. And I hope to show you guys more of the characters as I continue to develop it. I do share a lot of my drawings of my characters on my Instagram, so if you guys don't already follow me on my Instagram, you can find the link below in the description. So I hope you enjoy this time lapse of one of my beloved characters. Bye!